In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter a Smartsheet report effectively. Whether you're managing a simple project or juggling multiple complex tasks, understanding how to filter reports in Smartsheet can significantly enhance your workflow efficiency. So let's get started and walk through the entire process step by step. First, head over to your Smartsheet workspace or home screen. This is your hub where all your sheets and reports reside. Once there, you need to locate the specific report you would like to filter. It might be among your recent work or saved items, so take a moment to find it. Once you've spotted the report, simply click on it to open. Once your report is open, direct your attention to the top section of the interface. Here you'll see a button labeled Filter Criteria. Clicking this button is your gateway to refining your data and honing in on the information that matters most to you at the moment. Now it's time to add some conditions to your filter. Look for the option labeled Add Condition. This feature allows you to introduce new parameters to tailor the data. After clicking Add Condition, you'll need to decide which specific column you want to filter. You'll find a list of options such as Status, Due Date, and Assigned To, among others. Choose the one that is most relevant to your needs. Once you've selected a column, you'll need to define the precise criteria you intend to apply. Smartsheet offers a variety of options here, including Is One Of, Is Not One Of, Contains, Is Blank, as well as options like Is Greater Than or Is in the Future. These options allow you to narrow your data precisely and make your report as informative as possible. After specifying the criteria, it's crucial to define the value or condition you wish to apply. This finalizes the filter for the selected column. If you find that one condition isn't quite enough, don't worry, you can add multiple criteria to refine your data even further. This option is especially useful when you're looking to drill down through layers of data, ensuring you extract exactly what you need from your report. Once you've laid out all of your filter criteria and are satisfied with your selections, the final step is to click Apply. Doing so will activate the filter and present you with a refined view of your report, displaying precisely the data that meets your set conditions. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you can efficiently filter reports in Smartsheet, making your data management tasks significantly more manageable and focused. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your workflow in Smartsheet.